To capture and record your PowerPoint presentation in OBS Studio, it's quite simple. Just go down to Sources and check out that plus button down there. Today we're going to use the easiest method to capture PowerPoint because it automatically resizes based on the size of your window. That is window capture. Name it whatever your PowerPoint presentation is called, but before you hit the OK button right here, go ahead and pull open PowerPoint. Pull open whatever presentation you want to present first. It makes the process a lot smoother. Great. Once you've done that, then hit OK. It will pull open this Properties menu where you're going to select your PowerPoint presentation from this drop-down that's located right here. Drop that down, find PowerPoint.exe in the name of your PowerPoint presentation, and click it. You should see a preview pop up on the screen of whatever that PowerPoint looks like. If it's on this monitor, another monitor, etc., it will find it through window capture. Leave all settings at default except for capture cursor. Here you can decide whether to check that box or not if you want your cursor to be seen while you're doing your presentation. Your call, your presentation, you know what you need to demo or not. Once you're done doing those settings, hit OK, and boom, there it is. Your PowerPoint is now in OBS Studio, which is really cool. Let me drag over my version of PowerPoint so you can see both at the same time. Here's PowerPoint, brought it over. As you can see, as I resize my window, it resizes here in OBS. So what that means is whether you're doing a 1-monitor setup, a 2-monitor setup, a 20-monitor setup, it doesn't matter. Window capture will capture your PowerPoint as you size it, as you full screen it or not, as you crop it or not, based on what you want to show or not. So this method works whether you have 1 monitor, 2, or 20. So what you're going to do now in OBS Studio, go ahead and hit the record button. That's right over here, start recording, and it will record your PowerPoint presentation as you currently see it on the screen. You can actually minimize OBS now. This is especially useful if you have 1 monitor. Then you can full screen PowerPoint, and OBS is now recording the full screen version of PowerPoint right now. Okay? So if you want to start presenting, of course, you guys know how to use PowerPoint. You go from beginning, and you can choose on whichever monitor you're recording, you choose to swap presenter view and slideshow view if you have 2 monitors, and boom, there it is. Whatever you see on the screen right here, everything you see on the screen right here within this PowerPoint window, OBS is capturing all of it. It's capturing every bit of it to the very edge of the screen. Because you full screened PowerPoint, it will all show up in your recording. You can check it out when you're done or when you do a tester. Then when you're done finishing going through your PowerPoint presentation, then escape out of PowerPoint. You can minimize PowerPoint. You go back into OBS and then you hit stop recording. And there it is. As you can see how it's full screened right now after I minimized it, and now your entire presentation is recorded, and you can just trim the front and the back of it in your editor, and it's nice and tight, and you can share that with whomever you'd like. If you'd like me to help you set up your home studio or do your own webinar or help you with business meetings, whatever it might be on the internet, I've been doing this for a living. For the last 10 years, I've done multi-million-dollar webinars using PowerPoints on the internet. And if you want to book me, go ahead. My scheduler tool is right down Awall here, awalldigital.com, right here on the website. Just choose your day, choose your time, enter your information, and boom, I'm on a one-on-one video call with you, helping you with all of your online broadcasting needs.